picked up this 1993 CR250. Let's just say there's a lot of jalopy going on here. It's going to be a big project. We got damaged forks. Clips come off on both. Both wheels buckled. We have a crack in the rim. Let me find it. Where's the crack? There. Got a crack. At some point the chain has come off and damaged the case. There's a bit of a weld going on there. Hopefully that's still tight. Brakes are shot, so I think I need some calipers. At some point the frame's been powder coated, so when I tear the bike down I'll inspect it and see if we can salvage it, or we might have to do it again, but we'll see. It's going to be a full strip down, this big project. We'll see. Let's start tearing it apart. I was hoping to just do basic maintenance to it and replace the plastics and whatnot, but I can tell this is going to be a monster of a project, so unfortunately we won't be riding anytime soon. Damaged case, the fuel leaking has damaged the connector. Radiator's bent, but that's expected. And there's loads of welding damage everywhere. Tank bolt mounts, it's just, how do you break that? Shock's leaking. I'm sure this swing arm will be shot. Airbox, not too bad, surprisingly. But it did come with a spare, so I guess they damaged the old one. Basically everything is destroyed. But let's see, let's not give up just yet. So, closer inspection. We found many bodges and repairs, real nasty. We got some welding on the clutch cover. I'm not too annoyed about that because this can be replaced at fairly reasonable rate. My main concern is the left side crankcase cover, because that is completely destroyed. It's been welded. It's just ugly. The stator cover doesn't even seal properly because all this dodgy repair in here. So I'm going to try and look for a cover, a good cover, fingers crossed. The rear shock is leaking as well. I mean, all of this is expected really because it's such a poor condition bike. I'm not surprised. But yeah, this bike is like 90% trashed. So it's not good.
It's not in great nick, no.
What's it looking like, Fred? Again, that's not a genuine bolt.
That definitely isn't a genuine bolt. It could be worse.
Alright, let's do the other side.
No bolt. It's not attached to anything, is it? It's probably for the old.
Okay,
That's
so
been welded. Got a crack.
oh, cracked subframe as well. Everything.
Yeah. That is not good.
Oh, damn it. The world's most beautiful subframe. Yeah. Hey?
Yeah, that's all correct.
So we've been through every single part, pretty much, that we can see. I think the final decision is to break it and sell what I can't say it. And sell what's salvageable. So, which is basically fuck all.
Not even this is on.
Yes, Miguel Omelaga. Hopefully the exhaust is okay. The tank, frame, airbox, and the odd nut and bolt. But that's it. Maybe the hubs. Every single part that can wear has worn and been ridden whilst it's been worn, so it's destroyed, and then it's been bodged back together. So this is one of the worst bikes I've ever seen. So yeah, I think that's the verdict, is to break it, and I'll try and get some of my money back. Oh well, this is what happens, boys and girls. On to the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, right, we're in two minds. Throw it away and flog it, or fucking rebuild the bastard. What do I do? It's the worst bike I've ever come across. Every single part on it is destroyed. There's nothing good on it. So everything.
Well, the airbox is good. And it's got compression, so...
Yes, but what do? Do we try to repair parts like the swing arm, get it welded where the chain wore through? Do we try to find a left side crankcase cover and make the engine perfect? Do we sandblast the frame and get it powder coated again and sort all the
need re-welding.
fucking threads out on it that are stripped? Tell me, what do I do? It needs forks though. I can't be using those forks. It's a tough decision. So I need your help.